Welcome to online class of computer mastering paint. Okay, so now we are going to revise our chapter number 2, mastering paints. Friends, you must be familiar with the paint program. You would have created many beautiful drawings in paint using different shapes and tools. So students, we have studied this chapter. Again we are going to revise this chapter, mastering paint. So paint is a software in which we can draw beautiful pictures and drawing. So you can do beautiful picture, paint beautiful picture in this software, and it is a very good software for drawing purpose. It is there. Okay, so let us begin. How to start that? Start paint program by double clicking icon from desktop or by selecting start button, all programs, accessories, paint. You will see the following screen. Now you can see a screen on your mobile, right? It is same in your textbook when you can see. Okay, so here when you want to start the your paint program, you have to just double click on the icon and your software will open. Okay, so on this page you can see here there is a icon on the left side of the textbook, right? That icon is of the paint program. Another way is by you can go on the start button. There is a start button on your computer downside. Okay, here picture is also given. You can see here, this is the picture of the start button. The icon is also given in your textbook, right? So that's the start button. Then after start button you can go to all programs, then accessories, and then paint. Okay, by selecting this, by following these steps you can go, right? Then the following picture will appear. Okay, so you can see here different tabs are there in your textbook. There is a home tab, view tab, then paint button is also there, then shapes is there, ribbon, quick access toolbar, brushes, and drawing area. So these are the whole paint program, right? So let us now study in detail about the paint program. Okay, so first topic is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar shows the button which we need to use frequently. जो बटन हम बार बार इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसे क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में हमें दिखाया जाता है. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इट शोज सेव, अनडू एंड रीडू बटन. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट मतलब पहले से वहाँ पे कौन कौन से बटन होते हैं? सेव, अनडू और रीडू बटन, ये 3 बटन होते हैं वहाँ पे. To add new button to the quick access toolbar, follow the steps, right? So in this you can see here there is a picture also given in your textbook. In the first picture you can see there is a quick access toolbar is shown here and 3 buttons are already there. Okay, now in the second picture on the right side you can see here there is a drop down button. So click on the drop down button and it will display the menu as shown here. On your textbook you can see the circle is also, red circle is also there on that picture. In your textbook you can see, and when you click down a pop-up menu window will appear. Here it is. Okay, new, open, save, print. Okay, this is the option here. You can see in your textbook it is clearly given. Okay, now select the option which you want to add to the quick access toolbar. For example, you select new. Now the quick access toolbar will have one more button. It will look like as shown here. So down in the third picture you can see a new picture will appear. New will appear. Okay, okay, that button will appear. When you are clicking on new, there is a new new paint will be open here. When you click here it will be untitled paint, means already when you are clicking on this new, there you will click paint, will a new paint program will appear. You can also move that quick access toolbar below the ribbon and also can hide the ribbon. Okay, so you can move above the ribbon as well as down the ribbon. Now you can see here in the picture it is on the upper side. You can also select that them and drag them and put them near the down side. Okay, need down to the home. Okay, next you can see paint button. Paint button file menu has options like new, open, save, print, etc. The uses of all the buttons of paint button are as under. So students, you can see here in the paint button, here we have some shortcut keys are there and different buttons are there of the paint button. Okay, so let us begin. What is the short key for new button is the Control plus N. This option is used to open a blank file to create new drawing, right? So when you are clicking on the new, this option is used to open a blank file to create a new drawing. एक blank file create हो जाती है जहां आप न्यू ड्राइंग कर सकते हो. वैसे ही हमने जो क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में देखा था, जब हम न्यू पे क्लिक करते हैं तो क्या होता है, एक ब्लैंक फाइल क्रिएट हो जाती है, राइट? ओके, सो हियर इट इज. ओके, now paint button icons also is given in your textbook. See here the picture is given next to the paint button which is in red. Okay, so picture is given now and the shortcut is keys all are given in the green color. Okay, new Control plus N, this option is used to open a blank file to create a new drawing. Open Control plus O, this option is used to open an existing drawing. तो कोई भी आपको एग्जिस्टिंग ड्राइंग ओपन करनी होती है तो आप कंट्रोल प्लस ओ का यूज़ करते हो. तो साइमल्टेनियसली आपको कंट्रोल बटन और ओ बटन दबाना होता है, राइट? व्हेन यू आर प्रेसिंग दिस टू बटन एट द सेम टाइम देन अ न्यू ड्राइंग विल अपीयर. ओके, सो देर आर यू हैव टू प्रेस द कंट्रोल बटन एंड द अदर की साइमल्टेनियसली, दोनों एक साथ ही दबानी है तो ये फंक्शन हो सकती है. ओके, कंट्रोल प्लस ओ, दिस ऑप्शन इज़ यूज टू ओपन एग्जिस्टिंग ड्राइंग. ओके, को जो प्रोग्राम पे आपके पेंट बटन पेंट सॉफ्टवेयर में जो सेव होगा, राइट, वो आप यहाँ से ओपन कर सकते हो. सेव, द शॉर्टकट की इज़ फॉर कंट्रोल प्लस एस. दिस ऑप्शन इज़ यूज टू सेव द करंट ड्राइंग. सो दिस इज़ यूज टू सेव द करंट ड्राइंग विच यू आर ड्राइंग इन द पेंट प्रोग्राम. Save as F12. Using this option you can save your paint drawing with different file extension like .gp, bmp, .gif, etc. By default the paint file is saved with .png extension. So you can by save as you can select different file extension here. अलग अलग फॉर्मेट में आप उसे सेव कर सकते हो. पेंट आपकी ड्राइंग को ड्राइंग के लिए आप अलग अलग एक्सटेंशन का यूज़ कर सकते हो. GIF, PNG. ओके, लेकिन बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट PNG सेव होता है. कंट्रोल प्रिंट कंट्रोल प्लस P. दिस ऑप्शन इज़ यूज टू प्रिंट द करंट ड्राइंग. इफ़ यू वांट द पिक्चर टू इफ़ यू आर ड्रॉन एन पिक्चर एंड यू वांट अ हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ दैट, अगर वो आपको पेपर की फॉर्मेट में चाहिए, पेपर पे चाहिए, तो आप प्रिंट कर सकते हो, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम स्कैनर टू or camera. Using to import image from scanner or digital camera if they are connected to your computer. For अगर आप स्कैन करते हो कोई भी मोबाइल में या आप अपने स्कैनर पे आप उसे लेते हो या कैमरे में, तो भी आप उसे डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो आपके कंप्यूटर पे, राइट? सेंड इन ईमेल. यूज टू सेंड द ड्राइंग एज एन अटैचमेंट टू दिस email. Okay, all of you know what's an email. Email is a electronic mail. You can send in the attachment the drawing to any part of the world using the email, right? Set as desktop background. Agar if you want to that picture on your computer screen, then you can select as desktop background. Used to keep the current drawing as desktop background, you can use the option only after saving the current drawing. Okay, first you have to save that file, then you can select as the desktop background. Properties, used to change the height and width of the drawing area and type of measurement until like inches, centimeter or pixel. Okay, you can change the height and length of the drawing. Okay, generally means you can crop it, right? आप कोई भी पिक्चर को क्रॉप कर सकते हो फ्रॉम दिस. ओके, inches and centimeters are also there, right? Centimeter, pixel, all of them. About Paint, this option gives details about Paint program like its version, copyright information and license information. Okay, this is all gives details about the Paint program, their copyright information and license information. Exit, this option is used to close the Paint program. For exit option, we all know what is an exit. Okay, this option is used to close the Paint program. So this was our revision of the second chapter. In the next chapter, in the next session, sorry, we can see more about Paint program. Okay, and we will also see on the laptop. Okay.